Are you tired of looking for an internship in the mechanical engineering domain? Well then, this video is for you. Hi, this is Asim Ali Khan, General Manager at Addere Creations. Addere Creations is a leading company in Bangalore providing 3D printing, 3D designing and 3D scanning services over the last 6 years. Now, get ready to shape your future in the exciting world of 3D technology with our hands-on internship program tailored to fuel your passion and potential. Join our transformative internship program and explore the infinite potential of 3D printing, 3D designing, and 3D scanning technologies. Receive personalized mentorship, gain real-world experience, and be recognized with coveted certifications upon completion. Our goal is to cultivate a generation of tech pioneers who are driven by a sense of purpose to innovate for a greater good and shape a brighter tomorrow. If yes, then enroll in this amazing internship program that starts on 16th of August 2023. Limited spots available. Apply now. Click the link in the caption.